So this is the lighthouse, 1892, I think I remember saying. What I read in the Maritime Museum. Oh, okay. Yeah, we've got a more central view now of the harbour area. I believe, in fact I'm certain, the famous, fabulous Susan Calman did a cruise in which she alighted in Crete and came here, and I seem to remember her walking along sort of over there excuse me, and taking some beverages or being Susan Calman. She's great. Yeah, and that kind of seeing that a few weeks ago really made me look forward to today. Thank you, Susan. I never knew it was here. Having only been here, well, not even here, when I was 9 for a day. Okay, I can't show you any more of this. You get the picture. Very touristy. Lots of lovely taverna type cafes, restaurants, bars. Just over there, horses, carriages. Just take you a little trip round the back of the, around the back actually, of the harbour, so you can see all this from your carriage. But anyway, you see we're doing a cracking trade. Horses look well looked after. That's nice to see, isn't it? Yeah, you've seen it all now for here. If anything weird or wonderful comes along whilst I'm still here in Hania, I'll switch the box back on and give you a quick rundown. But as of now, Old Mad Dog tuning out.